a day now, and I get small time, sit down small and make I show you how you go take solve this particular question. They say 2x to the power of 3 equal to 54. Wetin they say make we find out now this x wey dey here. So to find x, me first thing I go do this particular thing, I go show you two ways to do am sha. This particular thing wey dey close to this x, I go comot am. And you know say the only way we fit comot am na to divide both side by that 2 wey dey there. So make we do am quick na time no dey. So if I divide both side by 2 like this, e go still do the same thing. No go do for left, you no go do for right now. Anything we do for left, you go do for right. So this one and this one, you see say they don cancel comot. Wetin remain na x to the power of 3. You gonna ask yourself, wetin be 54 divided by 2? Me I know say na 27, because 2 will go inside 54 27th time. Remainder no go even there. I go lie for you. So now, when you reach this particular point, if you do am three different ways. One of the ways I go do am be say, as this one dey in exponent form, make I try make 27 dey in exponent form too. So if I say x to the power of 3 equal to, I know say 3 to the power of 3 go give me 27, because 3 times 3 na 9 times another 3 na 27. This one na exponent form of 27. So na the same thing dem be. You get one law wey they call exponential function, or wey dey for exponential function or initial equation. That law say when you see say power resemble, just cancel and comot, consider the base. So therefore x will be equal to 3. When you reach this particular point, if you no follow am this way wey I do am, if you still do am the way we go sweet you. Some people when you reach there, you go say make dem take the cube root of both sides. So how, wetin be cube root? Just say cube root like this. When you do am for left like this, you gats do am for the right side too. And wetin they call applying cube root to both sides of the equation with that. Anytime we cube and cube root meet, then they cancel. Just like if square root and square means, then they cancel. Now so their life just be. They need the like agree. So x now go be equal to, wetin be cube root of 27? 3 number we go multiply itself 3 times to give us 27. Now wetin na 3. If you no reason am like that, if you still say from this particular point, if you just say 27 na the same thing as 3 to the power of 3. If 3 to the power of 3 dey inside this cube root, e mean say this cube root and 3 go cancel, 3 go still remain. Any I want take do am, you go still land for the answer. I go lie for you. I hope that this particular video help you. If it help you now for you to like and share and subscribe for more. Make I come they bring more things they come your way now. You know understand. Oh yeah, now later na come, I'll go find another one for you. Peace and love.